Comrade Blessed Geza wrote a long but very sad message to Zimbabweans. From his words, it seemed like he may not be feeling well. Zarabeda mashoko buda panguva ino nyasora za Bombshell Geza osiya apa a sad message kuna wagara munyika yeZimbabwe. Panguva ino achihighlighta kuti maybe tomorrow or next week or next month we might not be with him. Zarabeda mashoko anobuda panguva ino achibriefwa neCrime Watch Zimbabwe apa pamusoro peina address yaitwa na Comrade Bombshell Geza. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panguva ino amudanyora chiti. In the message, he began by saying, "Fellow Zimbabweans, I come to you at this unusual hour, my heart heavy with sorrow. I am in pain that I might not see the new Zimbabwe after Emerson, but I take solace in the hope that you will continue the faith for a free and prosperous nation, the Zimbabwe I fiercely fought for." Later he added, "As I speak to you now, I feel my energy sapping. I might not be there tomorrow, next week, or next month." Another part of the message reads, "In these final moments, I want to carry my message to your hearts. You are not alone." One of the saddest lines say, "Even as I prepare to leave this world, I do so with the conviction that our struggle continues." Though mashoko in brief, our ationa panguva ino touching points pa a message yasiwa yadeliverwa na Bombshell Geza. Panguva ino zviratidza kuti the situation ina Bombshell Geza, it might not be pleasing, it's not well. Panguva ine achiuya achiudza vagari munyika yeZimbabwe achiti anokwanisa kusazoona the new Zimbabwe after President Emerson Mnangagwa. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino muchaona another video, our next video tichikupa a full address ya Comrade Bombshell Geza. Penda comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.